Today we're going to show you how to quickly and easily tackle one of the most common maintenance tasks for rural property owners, the driveway. In our experience, driveways can wash away during heavy rainfall, but with the right implement, repairs and general maintenance can be quick and stress-free.
Let's check out two of the most popular options, the Land Pride Grading Scraper and the Land Pride Box Blade.
So what's the difference between these implements? The box blade has a closed back, which allows you to carry more material as you move forward. This adds versatility for landscaping projects if you're moving large amounts of material.
On the other hand, the grading scraper has an open back that allows materials to flow through, making it better for grading and levelling work. Another important difference is that you have the side skids on the grading scraper, but not on the box blade. The side skids make a big difference in making the implement easier to use.
The box blade is slightly different. Since there are no skids, you need to control the depth using the tractor's 3-point linkage. This takes a little more operator attention and skill to achieve a nice finish. The next element we want to show you is the number of grading or cutting edges. On the box blade, you just have one forward-facing cutting edge.
But the grading scraper has two. This extra edge is one of the main reasons the grading scraper is so effective and easy to use. Both implements have adjustable shanks up front, which are great for loosening compacted driveways. Just set them shallow enough to break up the surface, which gives you material to work with.
Regardless of whether you choose the grading scraper or the box blade, the setup is very straightforward on both. Personally, I prefer the grading scraper for maintaining my driveway. And it's great in combination with the Kubota L5740 tractor that we're using today. I'm comfortable and protected from dust in the cab, and I love the tractor's cruise control. It truly makes the job a dream.
Like most implements, setting them up level is important. Level from front to rear using the tractor's top link. Now we level from side to side using the lift rod on the tractor's 3-point linkage. Both the left and right side of the grading scraper are now sitting level. That's looking good with no adjustment needed. Adjust the shanks up front so they're just touching the surface. This will allow them to gently loosen the compacted surface layers. Simply remove the pin and slide the shank up or down.
Like most Land Pride implements, both the grading scraper and the box blade are quick hitch compatible, making attachment to the tractor a breeze.
Now that we've successfully connected the grading scraper, it's time for the fun part. Let's get to it.
Both the Land Pride box blade and the grading scraper are available in a number of different sizes to suit different Kubota tractors and applications. Contact your local Kubota dealer to get the best advice on matching your Land Pride implement to your Kubota tractor.
For more tips and information on the Land Pride box blade and grading scraper, visit kubota.com.au or speak with your local dealer. Kubota, this is the life.